In what has been a grueling marathon of a year, for obvious reasons, we are finally closing in on 2020's finish line. I'm sure all of us are eager for 2021 to usher in a more productive and prosperous era, both personally and professionally.
2020 has been a challenging year for most of us, and like most education providers, we were severely impacted by the lockdowns. Our B2B business was the most severely impacted, at 70% of our B2B revenues came from classroom trainings for corporates which were practically shut down. Our B2C business was comparatively better off, with 14 centers across major metros in India abruptly shutting down in March 2020. Registrations were down over 50% in the B2C business in March and April. I think a lot of things went well. Our collective ability to adapt to the COVID challenge, move seamlessly to a work from home setup, transition all our classroom programs almost overnight to an online delivery format is something I'm most proud of. We showed resilience, team spirit, and innovation to meet the challenge head on. At the end of June 2020, with the staggered reopening of metros, we reached approximately 80% of our pre-COVID targets in B2C. In 2020, we launched several new programs through collaborations with UCLA, SP Jain, NMIMS, Ajinkya D.Y. Patil, Digitas, the digital marketing company, and LSE Academy. With the increased attention on online learning in the last quarter, our online B2C business saw a sharp rise in enrollments and achieved its targets. We have a lot of positive on the B2B side also. The staffing solution business remained stable through the year, which underscores the need to diversify and not focus on one product alone. E-learning saw a huge spike in interest and demand during this period as well. By September 2020, Ematic has returned more or less to the pre-COVID growth numbers on the back of large annual onboarding mandates for tech graduates by Citi, Barclays, and Chitkara University.
We have a lot of plans for 2021. In order to gain business efficiencies, we have consolidated our B2C business in 2020, which is now headed by Ravi Kiran. In 2021, we'll be focusing on adding alternate channels for driving business, creating sourcing hubs, and expanding through center-based and localized efforts. Our product portfolio, which is 15 plus products currently, is also set to expand with the launch of new pro degrees and PGs. In 2021, we have to up our game in terms of our product offerings and our USPs to the learners to succeed in a competitive B2C market. Placements has been one of our focus areas and will continue to be so. In 2020, we placed 625 learners pan-India out of a placement pool of 825 learners, an impressive 75% placement record. Out of this, 250 placements were done at the height of the pandemic during March to July. Placements will continue to be our focus to ensure that we continuously meet our learners' outcomes. Another strategic initiative we took in 2020 was the launch of our new Future Skills Business School, which is headed by Jasjeet. We're excited about our newest vertical, where we will launch new degree-based online programs in partnership with leading Indian and global universities.
On the B2B side, we successfully won 365 mandates and executed 8,000 hours of training. We added 25 new accounts even in this period. COVID demanded that we be innovative and flexible, and we spent countless hours with our clients to help design impactful learning solutions that met the needs of the dynamic environment. As we look at 2021, we have various strategic initiatives that we are working on. The first one is quite interesting. We piloted a lead gen team in 2020 specifically to open new accounts, and these efforts are already yielding results, with at least 10 new accounts being added. A large focus for B2B in 2020 was e-learning mandates. The trend will only amplify in 2021 as we enter new geographies with a digital-first approach. Which brings me to the launch of the Digital Skills Academy, which will offer role-based learning paths for future-ready skills like AI, ML, blockchain, to name a few. In 2021, we will launch them as custom instructor-led workshops, which will be highly customized to each of our clients. Towards the latter half of 2020, we went live with our corporate business operations for UK and Europe, headed by Purva. In 2021, we want to build on that momentum and expand our reach in the UK market through local partnerships with both corporates and academia. Our MENA business will have renewed focus with Suresh Rao at the helm. Our Dubai office has been operational since 2019. We will also expand our physical footprint in MENA. Saudi Arabia is a key market for us. It will serve as a regional hub along with UAE, and we plan to open an office in Saudi Arabia in Q3 of 2021.
March, we transitioned successfully to a 100% work from home model practically overnight. This was largely in part due to agile processes set by the leadership team, well supported by HR and admin. We are also very thankful to the resilience and leadership shown by our business and departmental heads in taking the lead and doing what's best for their teams while ensuring productivity and business continuity. In order to maintain team camaraderie, our HR team also facilitated several virtual meetup events like yoga, Zumba, R&Rs, as well as monthly catch-ups with Nikhil and I. In 2021, training and upskilling of Emoticons will be critical to meet the evolving needs of the business. We will create ample opportunities to undergo job-relevant training with structured learning paths for everyone from analysts to VPs. Lastly, we will continue to build the Emoticus family. In 2020, we filled some key leadership positions like marketing and placement heads. In 2021, we will look to fill in more critical positions like CFOs and training heads for the finance and analytics verticals. We look forward to working with each one of you in the new year as we go from strength to strength.
On behalf of the entire Emoticus family, we wish you and your loved ones a very Merry Christmas and a happy and wonderful 2021. May the new year bring you and all of us abundance of joy, good health, and peace. Thank you.